guys, welcome to another vlog. It's your friend John. How are you all? I believe you guys are fine. Love you guys. Guys, right now I'm in a place called Sialda Station, right? And that's the flyover for the bus to go, right? So this is the Sialda Station, right, where I am. So I'm gonna, take you guys for a tour inside this market here, okay? And this is the biggest, wholesale market of ginger garlic, right? And they have other vegetables as well, right? So let's go explore this market. And guys, if you're watching my vlog for the first time, please subscribe. Let's go, guys. Right guys, so I'm gonna take you for a walk inside this market here. Look guys, now this is the biggest wholesale market for ginger and garlic, right? Look, everywhere you go you see ginger garlic. Hello भैया, good morning. Good morning. So आप लोग ये होलसेल में बेचते हैं, होलसेल राइट? और ये कोलकाता का सबसे बड़ा जिंजर garlic. Okay brother, you have a good day, thank you. So guys, you heard it right. So this is the biggest wholesale market in Kolkata where you can come and get ginger and garlic, and they even have some street food stalls here as well, right? They are selling authentic fish curry and rice. Hello Dada, good morning. Okay. So what you're serving? Roti and sabji. Guys, that's the chapati and this is the bitter gourd. So that's how it is. Okay brother, you enjoy your food. You have a great day. Okay, so guys, let's go. They even have a hotel here. This brother is making the bread. Look guys, the way he makes it. Look guys, it's crazy. They have this tube and they have this very big pan, and that's how they fry this chapati. And guys, look at this crazy fish head. Anyways, guys, let's go and see and take a look. Look guys, now this is the biggest wholesale market where you can come and find ginger and garlic, right? This is how it is. Hello Dada, good morning. So भैया, if कोई आपका पास आने मांगेगा, like कैसा क्या है? Like wholesale में मतलब like उन लोगों को बस्ता में लेना पड़ेगा? प्लास्टिक में? वो जैसा नॉर्मल मिलता है उसे कि ऐसा जो पॉलिथीन ऐसा बस्ता लेने मांगेगा तो? बस्ता वाला नहीं है? Okay, cool brother. Okay guys, that's how it is. So basically I was asking this brother, what's the price and and this and that. So he wasn't sharing much, so hello bhaiya. Look guys, this is the godown here, where they have this crazy ginger garlic, market. So everywhere you go you see people are just taking sacks of, ginger and garlic. This is how it is. And guys, personally, for me, first time, I'm coming into this market for the first time. Hello, auntie. Hello, bhaiya. Good morning. So this is the garlic. Look, guys. The godown looks like this. Look, guys. And they even have this limes here, right? Hello, Dada. Good morning. Look guys, so this is how it is guys. Now look at this crazy go down here guys. Everywhere you go they are selling ginger and garlic. Hello dost, good morning. So भैया, ये जगह का नाम क्या है? सियालदा स्टेशन क्या बोलता है ये मंडी को? सियालदा कोले मार्केट. और इधर आपका जिंजर गार्लिक आप होलसेल में मिलता है ना? Okay, so guys, I was asking that brother, what's the actual name of this place, and he's like Sialda Kole Market. That's the name of this place. And here, if you want to buy ginger garlic in like bunk, and you get it in a very good price, like wholesale rate, right? This is how it is. Hello, those. Good morning. Look guys, so everywhere you go they have ginger and garlic. My goodness, wow. This is the Kolkata's, biggest ginger garlic market, guys. Look at it, guys. It's crazy. Hello, uncle. Good morning. Look, guys. अंकल तो ये मार्केट इधर कितना सालों से है? Since when this market is here? Like कितना साल से ये मार्केट है इधर?
ये এখন আমাদের জন্মের আগে
কত বছর? 100 বছর বেশি হয়ে গেছে?
100 বছর
ये मार्केट का 40-50 साल हो गया, उससे भी ज़्यादा हो जाएगा ना? अंकल तो 100 साल बोल रहे हैं, 100 साल का पार है ना? 200 साल, अरे बाप. Okay guys, so this brother is saying 200 साल. 200 साल means like 200 years, they have this shop here. So this uncle just, he was saying he wasn't born, when this market was here. Anyways, that's how it is. Morning, bro. So guys, that was me trying to show you the biggest, ginger garlic market here in Kolkata. I really hope you enjoyed my vlog. If you did, do not forget to smash that subscribe button. I will see you in my next vlog, guys. Peace. Let's make love, peace. I will see you in my next vlog. Bye, guys.